Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 21st of July 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 20th and 21st of July 2021. Our first question is, who among the following has recently become the first Indian sportsperson to have been granted the golden visa by United Arab Emirates? Answer is option number 3, Sania Mirza. Recently, the UAE or United Arab Emirates has granted the golden visa to Indian tennis star Sania Mirza, which enables her to live in UAE for 10 years. The golden visa was instituted by the UAE government in 2019 as a new system for long-term residence visas. It enabled foreigners to live, work and study in the country without the need of a national sponsor and with 100% ownership of their business on the UAE mainland. These visas are for a period of 5 or 10 years and are renewed automatically. So answer will be option number 3, Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza, look into me. This is Sania Mirza. She is an Indian professional tennis star, a former doubles world number 1, and she has won 6 Grand Slams title in her career from 2003 until her retirement from singles in 2013. She was ranked by the Women's Tennis Association as India's number 1 tennis player. She was also awarded with Arjun Award in 2004, with Padma Shri in 2006, with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2015, with Padma Vibhushan in 2016, and she got married to Shoaib Malik, who is a Pakistani cricketer, in 2010. And Ace Against Odd is the autobiography of Sania Mirza. And UAE, look at map. This is UAE. Its capital is Abu Dhabi. President is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and currency is UAE dirham. Next, which is the official theme song of India in the Olympic 2020, which is set to begin in Tokyo, Japan from July 23 to August 8, 2021? Answer is option number 3, Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. Lakshya Tera Samne Hai is the official theme song of India in the Olympic 2020, which is set to begin in Tokyo, Japan from July 23 to August 8, 2021. And Mohit Sharma has composed and sung this song titled Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. It has been recently launched by the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiran Rijiju. So answer will be option number 3, Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. Next, the Taliban is a military organization of which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, Afghanistan. The Taliban is a Islamic movement and military organization in Afghanistan. The Taliban were removed from power in Afghanistan by US-led forces in 2001, but the group has gradually regained strength since and is seizing territory again. That's the reason it is in news. Answer will be option number 3. Taliban is a military organization of Afghanistan. Afghanistan, look at map. This is Afghanistan. Its capital is Kabul. President is Ashraf Ghani and currency is Afghani. Next, Nagma Malik has been recently appointed as the new ambassador of India to which country? Answer is option number 3, Poland. Look at the image. This is Nagma Malik. She is an IFS officer of 1991 batch and she recently has been appointed as the new ambassador of India to Poland. Poland, this is Poland. This is Poland. Its capital is Warsaw. President is Andrzej Duda and currency is zloty. Next, Kadambini Ganguly is known as the first female Indian doctor. 18 July 2021 has been recently celebrated as her dash birth anniversary. Answer is option number 2, 160th. Kadambini Ganguly was one of the first Indian female doctors who practiced with a degree in modern medicine. She was the first Indian woman to practice medicine in India. She was the first woman to gain admission to Kolkata Medical College in 1884, subsequently trained in Scotland and established a successful medical practice in India. And recently, on 18th of July 2021, her 160th birth anniversary has been celebrated. Also, Google has honored her with a special doodle. So, answer will be option number 2, 160th. Next, who among the following has recently become the fastest batsman to score 40 ODI centuries in terms of innings? Answer is option number 4. Babar Azam. Look at image. This is Babar Azam. He is a Pakistani cricketer and he has recently become fastest batsman to score 40 ODI centuries in terms of innings, surpassing Hasim Amla, Indian captain Virat Kohli and Australian batsman David Warner. He has reached his 40th century in the 81st ODI inning. So answer will be option 4, Babar Azam. Next, मुख्यमंत्री किसान मित्र योजना or मुख्यमंत्री किसान मित्र ऊर्जा योजना is related to which of the following state? Answer is option number 3, Rajasthan. The मुख्यमंत्री किसान मित्र energy योजना or ऊर्जा योजना has recently got approval from the Chief Minister of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot. Under this मुख्यमंत्री किसान मित्र ऊर्जा योजना, state government of Rajasthan will give rupees 1000 per month or 12,000 per annum on electricity bills to metered agriculture consumers. So answer will be option number 3, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, look at image. This is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. CM is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha. From Rajasthan, it borders with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India. The Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district, Rajasthan on 2nd of October 1959. Next, the largest floating solar panel farm in the world has been recently opened in dash. Answer is option number 4, Singapore. Recently, the world's largest floating solar panel farm has been opened in Singapore. Look into image. This is the largest floating solar panel farm in Singapore and it recently has been opened. It covers an area of 45 football fields and produce enough electricity to power 5 water treatment plants on the island. According to the world media, this solar farm could help reduce carbon emission by about 32 kilotons a year. The floating solar farm consists of 122,000 solar panels and the clean energy obtained in this way will make Singapore one of the few countries in the world that has a water purification system that is fully powered by sustainable energy. So answer will be option number 4, Singapore. Singapore, look at the map. This is Singapore. This is Singapore. Its capital is Singapore City. Capital is Singapore City. President is Halimah Yaqub. PM is Lee Hsien Loong and currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar. Next, who is the author of the book titled India versus China, Why They Are Not Friends? Answer is option number 3, Kanti Vajpayee. Kanti Vajpayee is the author of the book titled India versus China, Why They Are Not Friends. And this Kanti Vajpayee is currently working as a professor at National University of Singapore and he is considered as Indo-China relation specialist. And the book titled India versus China, Why They Are Not Friends is a book on the relationship of India and China. Answer will be option number 3. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Chess Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 20th July. Every year, 20th July is celebrated as International Chess Day. It is celebrated by the International Chess Federation, which was founded in 1924 on 20th of July. And the idea to celebrate this day as the International Chess Day was proposed by UNESCO and it has been declared in 1996 after it was established FIDE or International Chess Federation. Answer will be option number 3, 20th July. Now, we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Day for International Justice annually? Answer is option number 3, 17th July, which is the first Indian state or union territory to achieve 100% first dose coverage for COVID-19. Answer is option number 2, Ladakh. Who among the following has been recently sworn in as the new governor of Haryana? Answer is option number 3, Bandaru Dattatray. In which of the following state India's first ever grain ATM has been set up as a pilot project? It has been set up in Haryana. Answer will be option number 4, Haryana. Next, India's first National Dolphin Research Center is being built in dash. It is being built in Patna in Bihar. Answer will be option number 2. As announced by the Badminton World Federation, in which of the following year India will host the prestigious BWF World Championship? Answer is option number 2, 2026. In which of the following state India's largest solar park of 4.75 gigawatt will be set up by NTPC Limited? Answer is option number 1, Gujarat. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Youth Skill Day every year? Answer is option number 4, 15 July. West Indies opener Chris Gayle has recently become the first cricketer in history to score dash runs in T20 cricket. Answer is option number 3, 14,000. And this was the question asked to you in the last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day? Answer is option number 2, 2nd July. Every year 2nd July is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day. Now today's question is, India has ranked dash in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021. Options are 10th, 15th, 20th and 23rd. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.